I'm Jim Houston with your play-by-play. In the booth with me is Craig Simpson.
Jim, the excitement in this building is incredible. The players and the fans are really pumped up for this one.
Bellier. O'Reilly grabs the puck. Also gets the shot off. And out they come with a puck.
Wrist shot.
Leonard
Gets a pad on it. An easy save.
Bogosian fires it. He stops the shot. Quick shot. Callahan scores. Where was the goalie on that one?
It wasn't by his net, that's for sure. This is what's so great about the wrist shot. It's not as fast as a slap shot, but it's quicker to get off and way more accurate.
Kirkenson's won the faceoff. Moved ahead. He gets hold of the puck. Reinhardt shot quickly. Vasilevsky hangs on for the whistle. Is known for his knack at winning draws.
He's very fast with the stick, and he knows where to send the puck.
Vasilevsky hangs on for the whistle. The faceoff goes to the Sabres. Passed ahead. Advances the puck. With a wrist shot. Stone cold by Leonard. Moved ahead. Out over the blue line. Passed ahead. AINHL gets checked. He dumps the puck in. Tampa puts its checking line out. Vasilevsky freezes the puck. The faceoff goes to Buffalo. Blocked. Also takes control of the puck. Bellier stops the shot. McDonough advances the puck. Ristolainen. Across. Hackett gets hold of the puck. Buffalo puts its checking line out. Pouliot with the puck. Gord dumped it in. Bellier picked it up. Working along the perimeter. Pouliot gets checked. Killorn gets bumped off the puck. Nolan, wrist shot. Callahan got it.
He put him through the ringer there.
Shoots quickly. Blocked. Pominville jumps on the loose puck. Bogosian over center. The Sabres dump the puck in. Stemkos gobbles it up. Scandala. Buffalo takes control. Larson shoves. Stemkos. Kala. AINHL takes control of the puck. Larson. He has it now. Kunitz. Kala now has it. Leonard hangs on for the whistle. Bellier. Johnson flattens him. He takes possession of the puck. Taylor Johnson shoots it. He scores! A brilliant display of skill.
Goals like that are always a pleasure to watch. He stepped into that shot big time and put it past the goalie.
The one-timer is hockey's quick strike, and he hammered that one home. Over the blue line. Griffith. He scores! Wow, what a wrister he uncorked on that goal.
That was an absolute laser beam that found the back of the net.
Buffalo back to within one late in the first.
This late charge has really swung the game in their direction.
Kunitz gets hold of the puck. Kala pushes O'Reilly. Also gets the loose puck. Girardi. Kunitz. Huge shot! Stoned by Leonard. Pad save. Quick pass up. Kunitz takes possession of the puck. Killorn shoots the point. Scores!
The puck went off the keeper, and he was right there to score on the rebound. The loose puck after the initial shot led to that goal. Rebounds like that are lethal to a goalie.
Tampa scores again, pulling ahead by 2.
The danger now is complacency. If they go on autopilot, they'll pay for it.
Miller grabs the puck. One-timer.
Mascot Madness. Mascots from around the league will be participating in contests, photo sessions, and lots more fun for the whole family.
Hello and welcome back to the game.
The first period was one-sided. Let's hope we see a better effort the rest of the way.
Johnson wins the draw. Pass to hit. McCabe gets the loose puck. Nolan over the line. Nolan shoots the puck. Vasilevsky hangs on for the whistle. They're getting ready for the face-off. The face-off goes to Buffalo. Played up. And this time, they've got it offside. We're ready for the face-off. O'Reilly won the face-off. Buffalo dumps the puck in. Pulso gets the pass from Leonard. Quick pass up into the attacking zone. Dalshin finds the loose puck. The Sabres dump it in.
Line 2, you're out.
Dalshin scoops up the loose puck. He checks Bellier. Pass to hit. O'Reilly gets rubbed off the puck. Ahead to the neutral zone. Killorn moved ahead. Wiskamainen steals the puck. Buffalo grabbed it. Working along the perimeter. Pass back. Shoots! Vasilevsky turns him away. Sergachev jumps on the loose puck.
Line 3.
Larson. Buffalo takes possession. Pominville moved it with a wrist shot. Vasilevsky stoned him. McCabe with the puck. Stemkos gets in the way. Moved up. Pominville gets shoved. Point. He grabs the puck. He dumps it in. Dolan moved ahead. Quick pass up. Buffalo dumps the puck in. Point. Brings it in. Point. Fired it hard. He scores!
What a rocket he let loose on that shot.
That was absolutely unleashed on net, and it found the target. Played across. Played back. Nolan, wrist shot. Vasilevsky denied him.
This man is equally at ease making saves with his gloves or his pads.
Bogosian stops the shot. Stemkos finds the loose puck.
Line 1, you're out.
Fired it. Buffalo corrals it. Kucherov hammers him. Vasilevsky hangs on for the whistle. About to drop the puck. O'Reilly wins the draw. Ristolainen jumps on the loose puck. Along the boards, Leonard, great save. Also knocks him off the puck. Buffalo scooped it up. Gets the shot off. Kunitz scores.
Nice backhand on that goal. He put it right past the goalie.
That's a tough stop for any goalie. Moved across, passed across. Moved ahead.
Was unassisted.
Jurgensen's block. Shoots the puck. Blocked. McCabe with the puck. Out over the blue line. Quick pass up. Whips the shot. Vasilevsky stabs at it. Strawman advances the puck. Breakaway. Point with a wrist shot. Johnson stabbed at it. Johnson hangs on for the whistle. They're getting ready for the faceoff. Pominville. Stemkos scoops up the loose puck. McDonough runs over Scandala. AINHL slaps it. He's with the puck. Fires! Buffalo picks it up. Pominville shoots quickly. Buffalo gets a hold of it. Scandala shoots quickly. Vasilevsky stones him cold.
Line one, you're out!
Played up. Moved ahead. Advances the puck. The Sabres go offside.
Both teams who were born and raised right
The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff.
at the scoreboard.
Across, Kunitz shoves Bellier. Dopalso gets the loose puck. Fires! Scores!
What a sweet wrist shot right there. He just picked his spot and snapped it home.
O'Reilly finds the loose puck. Jumped off by Tampa.
Then while Julio assisted by
Julian. That wraps up the second period. The Sabres have dug themselves a big hole.
Well, one way out of it would be to start hitting. Make them cough up the puck. Throw them off their game.
Get ready for the third period.
It's not over yet. Let's see if there'll be a late game comeback.
Ford won the faceoff. Strawman gets hold of the puck. He has his pocket pick. Vasilevsky scores!
And a better check the puck for cracks after that slap.
No doubt. Good thing it didn't hit the goalie. Might have knocked him into the net as well. O'Reilly wins the draw. Quick pass up. Cranks one. Blocked. Stemkos takes control of the puck. Julian. Over the blue line. Julian grabs the puck.
Line two!
Stemkos. Tampa.
Line two.
Got it. Kucherov has a breakaway. Ristolainen gets the pass from Johnson. Ahead to the neutral zone. Slap shot. Vasilevsky denies him. Taylor Johnson takes possession of the puck. AINHL backhanded shot. Buffalo picked it up. Vasilevsky stoned him cold. Vasilevsky freezes the puck. Jurgensen's won the faceoff. Passed ahead. Shoots the puck. Reinhardt scores!
A good wrist shot is hard to stop. And that was a good wrist shot.
Jurgensen gets hold of the puck. Dolan scoops it up.
Assisted by number 71, Evan
Jurgensen's Buffalo takes over. Kunitz. Dalton scooped it up.
Line two, you're out! Line one!
And out they come with a puck. Advances the puck. AINHL finds the loose puck. Pominville. Pick it up.
They've come to play in this one.
Larson grabs the puck. Buffalo puts its scoring line out. Pominville scoops up the loose puck. Killorn fires it. O'Reilly. Buffalo in control now. Brings it out. Moved up. Moved ahead. O'Reilly turns the puck over. Sergachev now with it. Cranks it just wide of the net. Johnson freezes the puck. Buffalo is taking advantage of face-off situations.
Now this has helped them control the tempo. Results on the scoreboard speak for themselves.
Dolan takes control. Out over the blue line. Griffith knocks the puck loose. Miller. Nolan finds it. The Sabres come in offside. Buffalo has had a firm grip on the faceoffs.
When you control the faceoffs, you control the first few seconds of action. That can make a big difference.
In over the line. Quick pass up. Pominville shoots. Larson with the puck. Bogosian gets it, rips it. Scandala gets in the way. Kunitz takes control of the puck. AINHL. Oh, he missed. Kunitz jumps on the loose puck. The Lightning dump it. Ristolainen gobbles it up. Hackett. He dumps it in on the end boards. Taken by Buffalo. Brings it out. Buffalo dumps the puck in. Tampa gets scores!
We're seeing some serious talent at work. What a goal! He let go of the wrist shot, and it paid off handsomely with that goal.
That's right. You don't always have to wind up with a big slapper to get it past the keeper. Played across.
By number 10, JT Miller, assisted by number 50.
Move back. Johnson with the puck. Rodriguez, wrist shot. He scores!
There's nothing as lethal as a quick and accurate wrist shot.
The goalie will be seeing that one in his nightmares. Nolan takes possession of the puck. Tampa gets a hold of it. Kunitz with a wrist shot.
The goal was unassisted.
Nolan picked it up. Into the attacking zone. Wrist shot blocked. Vasilevsky hangs on for the whistle.
So we're having a barrage set. Scott,
The action's about to start.
player used equipment.
Johnson takes control of the puck.
Please check your local paper for dates and time.
Tampa wins the race and beats out the icing call. Johnson hangs on for the whistle. Tampa has been having trouble winning faceoffs.
This would be a good time to turn that around. The next few minutes could be crucial.
Hedman gets hold of the puck. The Lightning go offside. Tampa will need to start controlling a few faceoffs.
So far, it hasn't been their strength.
Buffalo scoops it up. Johnson is getting yanked.
Right now, they need the extra attacker in a big way.
McDonough intercepts the pass out over the blue line. O'Reilly pushes Kucherov. That's offside. The ref is ready to drop the puck. Johnson wins the draw. Pouliot gets O'Reilly. Scores!
He really rifled that one-timer home.
They say a quick release is more important than accuracy at the NHL level. The goalies won't argue with that one. Jurgensen finds the loose puck. Reinhardt. Tampa in control now. Strawman.
67.
Johnson has it. Callahan has it now. Up along the boards. Jurgensen's with a wrist shot. Played up. Quick pass up. Icing against Tampa. Tampa has been struggling in the face-off circle. Let's see how they do here. Kucherov with the puck. Tampa hasn't had much luck when it comes to winning face-offs.
You want to be able to win at least 50% of the time.
The puck is about to be dropped. Tampa jumps on it.
3 periods have settled nothing, so we're going into overtime.
Water tank? You can at our upcoming Family Carnival. Tickets are available at the box office.
Regulation decided nothing, so we're headed to overtime.
Time for the big guns to raise their game.
Kucherov gets the loose puck. The Lightning dump it in. Pouliot gets the pass from Johnson. Moved up, passed across. Brings it in. Moved back. Backhands it. Vasilevsky stoned him. Vasilevsky hangs on for the whistle. The players are lining up at the face-off circle. AINHL won the face-off. Pad saved by Vasilevsky. Vasilevsky freezes the puck. Buffalo has won most of the draws so far.
And that's had a big impact on their play. We've seen it again and again in this game.
Buffalo picks it up. Reinhardt. Along the boards. Rodriguez takes control of the puck. Vasilevsky gets a pad on it. Advances the puck. Girardi gets crushed. Centers it. The Lightning come in offside. ref is signaling for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to the Sabres. Palmenville gets hold of the puck. And they get called for icing. They're getting ready for the faceoff. AINHL wins the draw. McDonough with the puck. Gord. Bishop scores! Put it in the books. Tampa wins it in overtime.
They did a great job of picking their spots on offense.
That's the difference in tonight's game. They really picked the goalie apart when they had the chance.
As that shot proves, a backhander is dangerous from anywhere.
It's purely a guessing game for the goalie, and he guessed wrong there.
Tonight's third star, Tampa Bay number 13, Cedric. Tonight's second star for Buffalo, number 71, Evan Rodriguez.
From Buffalo, New York, this is Jim Houston with Craig Simpson.
Until next time, take care.
Goodbye.